Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset for your earbuds XIAOMI OpenWear. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case. Now, do not close the case. Right here inside of it we have connectional button, and you need to press and hold this connectional button until the LED light on the front side start blinking orange. So press and hold. Firstly it starts to blinking white because it entered to pairing mode. Don't worry, just keep holding this button. And here we go. Now you can release your finger, and then we need to reconnect these earbuds with your phone. So open Settings and go to the Bluetooth. At the device list, click the information icon near to your earbuds and forget this device. Then forget device again. Or if you have an Android, you will click at the settings icon, not information icon. Now, if you have Android, click pair new device at the top. Not all Android phones have this button, but let's say on Pixel 8 I have it, so you need to click this button. If you have iOS, you can or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or just go back and return here, and after factory reset these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically. So you just tap on them at the device list, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!